Hello, here's another sharing while splitting the firewood. And that sharing is about so-called cosmic joke. So in a sense, a whole creation can be experienced as the cosmic joke. And because in essence it is just one perfect, seamless absolute to which nothing really happens, but by its infinite nature it creates the illusion within itself that something is happening, and then it partially gives some meaning and importance to it. And then it partially fools himself within that illusion of creation. So by being absolute, it identifies with relative. By being infinite, it identifies with finite. And by being eternal, it identifies with temporary. By being unconditional, it identifies with various conditions. And the whole big drama arises. But in essence, all that drama is so perfect because it awakens that absolute to itself, to realize itself as an absolute. It's like a perfect contrast for God to know itself as such. And then that awakened God within this for example, in our individualized human life can enjoy this illusion consciously. So wisdom is always closely related to humor and the sense of humor, because really it is sensing that contrast between absolute and relative. And yeah, that allows to experience life with easefulness, joyfulness, playfulness in your heart. But it always needs to be balanced with respect and compassion for the experience of that drama, that creation. Because even though it is illusion, the experience of it is real. And especially when someone doesn't get that joke yet, life can really be experienced as not funny at all. And when the jokes and the laughter becomes just shallow form of arrogance and avoidance. So be mindful on that. And remember, the sage always uses that sense of humor to center itself. That is what laughter in essence does. It is mechanism of centering. And then from that center you can perceive the situations clearly, and then you can serve those situations in the most harmonious way. And here is my kitty. I love her very much. She's so cute, so soft. Okay. So that's about it. And also I have another message in my mind and my heart that I feel inspiration to share. It is again related to balance. So when we choose our most harmonious natural path, many different elements of our life starts to come together and reveal their seamlessness, their harmonious unity. And for example, earth reflects again your stability, your center, and also practicality, like splitting the firewood. And that groundedness allows you to expand into the vastness of air, which reflects various different perspectives and ways of thinking, which again complements the earth, because through that expansiveness of perspective you can get a better sense of your center, and also you can find new ways for practicality. And now I even combining this practicality with also my inspiration and spirituality to share these ideas in this unique way. Also, the fire starts alchemical dance with the water. And fire reflects your excitement and passion about many things. And water reflects serenity and ability to just enjoy and savor the moment. So in that way, water balances and integrates that impulsivity of fire, and fire balances and integrates this serenity of water, those depths of the moment. And yeah, in that way you can experience your life in the most blissful and healthy way. Ta-da! The cornerstone. And yeah, and that is just another. And that's just very, very small example, a clue, because that balancing and integration, unification happens between all aspects of your life, of your being. So yeah, your body, physical body, comes into closer and closer relationship with spirit. And so on. So yeah, that is just a reminder for inspiration to really cultivate that in your everyday life, in all aspects of your life, to cultivate that balance, to cultivate that unity consciousness, and have grand best experience with that. See you later. See you in the moment. Bye.